removable keel. The black thing coming out of the left side of the canoe is definitely working. This is the post that my cam is standing on. Portable sonar holding there with C-clamp, since I'm using 3 different boats. Rod holder. This is a small aluminum angle with some holes. That's where I hang my lure. This is the post where I put my sunshade in. Fuel tank set up. Paddle. Drink holder. Bench. My battery is there. Container to put the stuff so it's not going to rain on it. Fishboard that I made, mostly for walleye, since we have a length limit in here. This is how I transom a bit. Water, fuel separator, sonar holding in place with C-clamp. What else? What else? As you can see, you can put your pliers, knife, whatever you want. In the front, okay. Look here, I'm using a piece of aluminum here to hold the fuel tank in place. Here, as you can see, there's another post for sunshade, and in here all security gear, ropes, flares, extinguisher, throwing rope, throw at somebody in the water. Well, that's about it. Downriggers, big fishing rod for a laker, sunshade, have a rope and anchor in the front, bowline, another lure, fishing lure holder here. This is how my paddle is holding there. Tons of bungees to hold things in place. This is to clean the fish. It's holding in place with a paddle holder, just like this one. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video. If you're like me, having a long boat, I have a freighter canoe, 22 feet, and when slowly trolling, the wind is just throwing the front end all over the place, and I'm battling with the wind all day long. So what I did is very simple. It's a removable keel. As you can see here, Okay, I'm going to show you brackets on the boat. I'm going to show you the keel now. So you have a big surface in the water, have a bracket like that. So I just drop it in, and this is night and day. I'm gonna try to do it one hand, but with the wind, sorry for this, but the principle is this. And no more battling with the wind with that surface in the water. Easy fix. Okay, so I'll show you what I did. My fish plank, the material, I don't know the name in English, but in French it's stratifié. It won't rot. It's all plastic layers, one on another, and this is indestructible. And what I did to fit with the freighter, I glued two pieces of 2x4 with silicone. Put it right here. Using the 1C clamp to hold it in place. Okay, it's gonna work. So as you can see, it's there. That way I can clean the fish and throw what's left in the water. So now it's time to clean the fish, but I'm not going to show you this. But this is a good addition here. Clean the fish. I don't like to do it on shore or whatever. Here on the lake is way better for me. Okay, here's my kicker bracket. As you can see, remove the handle. There's a handle on each side. Removed it and put that piece of strut for my kicker motor. As you can see, remove the handle too here for the sonar. Okay, today a short video on how I made my steering link for the kicker. What I did is take a big washer like this, bent it on a 90 degree, and holding it in place with a screwable plumbing collar. So the washer is fixed there. You can do the same thing here, but I went like this. You can always use the washer on that kicker arm too, and the scrap rod that I got from construction site. So this way you steer the kicker motor. So that's how simple it is. There you go. DIY steering link for kicker motor.